I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of a random video. We're doing a little bit of a haul. Most of these products are like Barbie theme, which I'm super excited about because the movie is coming out. But I did pick up a couple of things from Hot Topic, and I'll also be sharing some things that I purchased from Ross. So if you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. I'm sure this video is going to be a bonus video kind of vibe because it's so random. But let's start off with Hot Topic. I do have my receipt right here. Didn't have any type of savings, girl. But we have a few like really cute products. Let's start off with the Barbie products. So first off, we have this lip balm. I thought this was so cute. I did find these specific Hot Topic products at the location at the City Walk, Universal City Walk, and I thought this was adorable. So we have the Barbie bubblegum scented lip balm. It looks like a little car. How adorable is that? Is so cute, and this did retail for $5.90 at Hot Topic. Look at that, it is so cute. And it does say Barbie on the front. Yeah, make sure that you don't buy a broken one because I did see a few that this little part here was broken, so check that out. Make sure you buy one that's intact. So adorable. It feels a little like heavy as well, and this is so adorable. I can even put it somewhere back here just to decorate. And on the bottom you do get this, I guess it's like a little top. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. So that's where the lip balm lives, on the bottom of the car. It definitely smells like bubblegum. This is adorable. Now I didn't get it because of the lip balm, girl. I have so many. If you guys watch my makeup inventory, literally just filmed it. I have so many lip balms, but I thought this was adorable, and it's going to be so cute in the background somewhere back here. Next product from Hot Topic. It had a Barbie necklace, which I cannot pass up on. This looks extremely heavy, but it looks like good quality, girl. And since the movie's coming up, obviously I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this for videos anytime I can because it is so adorable. And they also did have a bracelet. They also did have another necklace which didn't say Barbie, but it did have a couple of little hearts on it. It's just so cute. It comes with a silver kind of chain moment. I don't know if this is going to be strong enough to hold this big Barbie name on it, but who knows. This little necklace retailed for $16.90 at Hot Topic. Let me go ahead and get into this. It feels really nice and literally like not cheap at all. It feels a really nice quality. That is so cute. Let me know your thoughts down below. Adorable. Only $17. That's how it looks on the back. Really nice and sparkly. Again, the chain, I don't know. It feels a little flimsy, but I think it's so cute and it's gonna look adorable with my Barbie outfit. So excited about this. Could not pass up on this necklace. Lastly, from Hot Topic, I have this eyeshadow palette. I don't know what it is about it. It's not even the cover. I think the cover is cute, but it's not why I purchased it. But this is the shadow highlighter palette, and this is called The Moon. And although the front cover is stunning, I got it because of the shadows on the inside, and the color story is just beautiful. This palette retailed for $16.90. It does come with a mirror, and this is the color story, girl. Let me remove that thing, girl. This is annoying me. But I don't typically buy these types of eyeshadow palettes nowadays. I do have a whole collection of Hot Topic eyeshadow palettes. The quality can be very hit or miss, but I haven't been purchasing these as of late. So I don't know what got into me, but the color story is just so beautiful. I cannot leave this behind. I don't know if it was a mixture of purples and blues and these beautiful shimmers out here, but they just definitely called out to me. So we'll definitely have to film a video using this palette. They're just so beautiful. I think for sure the bronzy kind of shimmers called out to me, but also the blue and purple scheme. Girl, it's just stunning. So I definitely can't wait to use this. Let's get into Ross. All right, so I did go ahead and purchase two products from the Ross, but we did come across a couple of Barbie products. So the first one is this. So this is the Barbie hand cream and nail set. So it does come with a hand cream. It comes with a nail file as well as a nail clipper. So I thought this was so cute, and this little set retailed for $3.99 at Ross. So adorable. There is the nail clipper. Does not say Barbie on it. I don't know how else you're gonna know, but it looks like a good quality nail clipper, girl. So cute. It is a black nail clipper. It's actually a really cute size as well. Next we have the nail file, which looks like so. It does say Barbie on the file, and I actually do use these a lot because I do press on nails so much and everything, so I will be using that. And lastly for the set, we have a lotion. So this is a hand lotion. It says Barbie right in the front. I think it's so cute, and it says it is strawberry scented. I love the packaging. You guys know how I feel about my lotions. Oh, thank goodness it's sealed. All right, so I did go ahead and kind of open it. Let's see how it looks. It smells really good. Ooh, it's very nice and hydrating on the hand. Okay, girl. Little nail set actually came to play. It's really cute. Next we have their spa set, which looks like so. It comes with quite a few products. We have a body lotion, a body wash, we have a body mist, a bath balm, and a lip balm. So again, this is their spa set. Comes with so many products in here, and this did retail for $6.99 at Ross. All right, first off we have the Barbie lip balm, which looks like that. It looks so cute. It does say Barbie, very much like the nail file. Has those lines and then Barbie in the middle. And again, this is just their lip balm. It is berry flavored. It is just a clear balm. It has like a light berry smell to it. Nothing crazy. It smells so good. Can't wait to try this on the lips, but again, I just got it because of the Barbie. All right, next we have the body mist, another product that I was so excited about. So again, this is strawberry scented. Looks like that. How cute is this bottle? The actual spray is like a pinky berry kind of color. It is so cute. Again, it is sealed, so thankfully nobody got in here. Okay, let me give it a smell. Not the best smelling body spray to me. It's just very much like grape vibes. Yeah, it's cute. Again, not my favorite scent, but I just thought it was so cute because of the packaging. So yeah, if you don't like grape scented kind of products, I don't know if you're gonna like this, but I thought it was cute. Love it. Obviously got it for the packaging. Next we have the bath bomb, which looks so beautiful. Again, they did have a whole like little pack of these specific bath bombs in a set, but again, I don't use them, didn't purchase that. They did include one in this set, so I did get one. So this is the bath bomb. Oh, these are all from Taste Beauty. They are. You guys know how I feel about Taste Beauty. They have some really great products. They come out with lip balms. I didn't know they had this Barbie set. Okay, so these are from Taste Beauty, and if you guys shop at Five Below, they have a lot of lip balms at the Five Below from Taste Beauty. They have some really cute products. So I think I'm just gonna give this away to my mom. I think she uses them, so yeah. But I just wanted to show you guys that it does come with a bath bomb. Oh my gosh, bath bomb scent, beautiful. Two more products came in this set. We have a body lotion, and then we have a body wash. For sure I'm gonna use the body wash. You guys know, love them. I literally purchase them from the Dollar Tree all the time. Love trying out different ones. So excited about this product. Look at how beautiful that packaging is, and again, it's just a tropical breeze scent. So let me see. It smells cute. I don't want to open it just yet, so kind of trying to sniff it through the thing, but it smells good. It smells nice and clean. And then we have the body lotion, which is in cherry blossom scent. Look at that packaging, girl. So beautiful. This one smells really nice. Very much giving me vibes of the hand cream. Like it's like the same kind of hydrating formula. It smells really nice and clean. I love that. Okay, girl. We got some really great products in today's video. I'm so excited about these Barbie products. Can't wait for the movie to come out. Let me know if you're gonna watch it down below. Have you seen these products at your local Ross? Let me know again in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.